When businesses want to notify customers about limited availability, they usually do it manually, sending messages one by one or posting random updates. But inside Pabbly, you can actually build a smart WhatsApp broadcast that triggers only when a few slots remain. No manual work, no guesswork. In this video, I am creating a limited slots availability alert WhatsApp broadcast with the help of Pabbly, where opted-in customers automatically get notified on their WhatsApp account as soon as the availability drops. I'll build this broadcast live inside Pabbly and show you exactly how the broadcast works end to end. For that, let's focus on my screen. Here I have already created and sent this broadcast to myself. So to show it to you, I will open my WhatsApp chat. In here, I have sent this broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Hello Jayendra Party, quick update from ClearPath Services. We currently have only a few services slots left for this week. Slots are being filled on a first come basis, and once they are booked, we won't be able to accommodate additional requests. If you were planning to schedule a service, now would be a good time to do so. Warm regards, Team ClearPath Services. So this is how my customers will receive their broadcast when I will send it to them. Now I will show you how exactly I have created this amazing broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, at first I will help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. With this, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In here on the right corner, you can see we have got these two different options, sign in and sign up free. If you have put serious effort into building your business, then automating the repetitive work is the next logical step. With Pabbly's yearly or lifetime plan, you can automate small tasks and free up time for the things that actually need your attention. If you decide to go ahead, you can use the coupon code on my screen JAIPC to get a special discount. And if you just want to explore our application first, then you just have to click on the sign up free button, where you will get 100 free credits every month. And if you are already a Pabbly user like me, then we just have to click on the sign in button to continue. With this, you will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to create a broadcast which we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. That's why we will access this particular application by clicking on this button. Then you will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Inside this dashboard on the right corner, you can see here at top my WhatsApp number is visible. So to use this WhatsApp Chatflow, at first you have to add your WhatsApp number in here, and you can do that by clicking on this button given on the right side here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here, you can see this is the column where Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. After you have added your WhatsApp number, to start creating a broadcast for yourself from this left side column, you have to select this broadcast, and then in here we can start creating a broadcast for ourselves. So to start creating a broadcast, we just have to click on this add broadcast button. But before that, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. Here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you, I will add link of this community in the description box, so you can go and check out that link from there. Now I will head back to this broadcast of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here I will click on this add broadcast button. Now we will start creating our broadcast. For that, at first we have to select the type of our broadcast. So from here we have to select this broadcast campaign. Then we have to give a name to our broadcast. So I will name my broadcast limited slot availability alert broadcast. Then from this contact list here, we have to select that particular contact list to which we want to send this broadcast. But if you want to send this broadcast to all of your contacts, then you can do that by selecting this all contact list from here. So in here, I will select this particular contact list offers which I have created. And if you want, you can also select multiple contact list from this drop down. And how you can create a contact list, that I will show you by the end of this video. But at first, let us finish this broadcast. Now we will move to towards the select message type. For here, for this, we have got these two different options, pre-approved message template and this regular message. So if I will go with this pre-approved template message, then with this, I have to create a template and I have to get it approved by Meta prior to scheduling this broadcast. But if I will go with this regular message, there is no need for me to create a template and get it reviewed, because inside this message box, I can directly enter the message which I want to send to my customer. But there is a condition with this regular message. I can send this regular message broadcast to only those customers who were active with me for the past 24 hours. But there is no such conditions with this pre-approved template message. That's why I will go with this option. Now to select our WhatsApp template, we have to click on this here, and then you can see this is the template limited slot alert broadcast that I have created for myself. So I will select it from here, and in here you can see this body field 1. This is actually a dynamic field which I have created while creating this template. With the help of this dynamic field, you will be able to change the name of your customers. So to change the name of my customer, I just have to enter that particular contact custom field which I have created to store the name of my customer. So here I have successfully entered this contact custom field. Now with the help of this contact custom field, every time I will send this message to any of my customers, their name will automatically get replaced with this particular contact custom field. So here I have entered my contact custom field. Now I will press this done button. You can see this is how my customers will receive this template message when I will send them. Now if you want, you can also test this broadcast by sending it to your own number. So here I will enter my name, and inside this next box I will enter my phone number. After that I will click on this send test message button, and then I will open my WhatsApp account to show it to you. Here inside my WhatsApp account you can see I have again received this broadcast and it looks all perfect. So now I will go back, and here we just have to finish our last step, schedule broadcast. With this I can either send this broadcast instantly to my customers, or if I want, I can also schedule this broadcast for later. So if I want to send instantly, then I have to go with this no and then click on this add broadcast button. But if I want to schedule this broadcast for later, then I have to click on this yes button, and then from this calendar given here, we have to select the date and time at which we want to schedule this broadcast. So from here I will select the date as 31st, and I will select this time as 6 p.m. and then I have to click on this OK button. Now after filling all of these details, when I will click on this add broadcast button, you will see that our broadcast with this particular name at this particular date and time has been scheduled successfully. So this is how you can schedule a broadcast for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now at first I will show you how you can create a contact list. For that you just have to go inside this contacts given on the left column here, and in here at first you have to add contacts. So to add contacts you have to click on this add contact button given on the right side here, and in here you can either add single contacts or you can also add bulk contacts by uploading a CSV file with a 50 MB size limit and a maximum of 2 lakh contacts at once. Now when you have successfully uploaded all of the contacts which you want, then to create a contact list you have to click on this plus button given here. In here you have to enter the name of your list, add a tag, select the status as opted in or opted out, select the incoming status as allowed, blocked or both. In here you can also select a contact custom field, and then you have to click on this add button. Then your list will get created successfully. So here I have successfully demonstrated how you can create a contact list. Now we will move towards how you can create a template for yourself. So for that you have to access this template, click on this template list, and in here you have to click on this add template button to start creating a template for yourself. So I will click on this button, and in here we just have to enter these following details to create this template. So first of all, for this template category you can select it either as marketing, utility or authentication. So if I will select this marketing, then at first I have to give a name to my template. So there is a rule that name can only be in lowercase alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed. Here this example is also given to us, so I will just copy this example from here and paste it in here. So here I have named my template. Now for this language you can select any language as per your preference, but I will search for this English and I will select it from here. Now for this template type, you can select the type of your template like this text, image, video, document or anything else from this list. Now we have to enter these following details like template header, template format and template footer. So I will enter these following details in here. I will enter my header as hello. I will enter this format as this is a test, and then for this footer I will enter buy. You can see this is how my template will look to my customers. Now if I want to add a dynamic field in here, then for that I just have to open this two curly brackets, close them, and in mid of them I just have to enter this number 1. You can see here this dynamic field has got created successfully. Now in here we have to enter the sample value. So if I have created this dynamic field to add the name of my customer, then in here I have to enter this name, and here you can see this example is also given to us. Hello one, your code will expire in 2 minutes. So when I will copy and paste this text inside this box, you will see that instantly 2 dynamic fields will get created here. Now for this interactive actions, you can select either none, call to actions, quick replies, or all. So if you will go with this call to action, then in here you can either enter a link of your website and ask your customer to check out your website, or you can also add your phone number so that your customer can call you. And if you will go with this quick replies, then in here you can enter the replies like this interested, which your customer can reply to let you know that they are interested. So if you want to select any of these interactive actions, you can select them, but if you don't want to select them, then just go with this no, and after that you have to click on the submit button to submit this template for approval by Meta, and Meta can take whatever amount of time as per their policy to approve your template. And after they have approved your template, you can use your template to create such amazing broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So that is it for this video. In this video I have demonstrated 3 important things to you: how you can create a broadcast, how you can create a template, and how you can create a contact list for yourself inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you have watched this video till end, then I will suggest you to buy a lifetime or yearly subscription of Pabbly with my coupon code visible on your screen. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.